Hi, Phil here, Dirty Drive Away, obviously. So we are doing something a little bit different today. As you're aware, you would have seen, or some of you may have seen in previous videos I've done with regards to my rinse down nozzle. I've sold quite a few of these now from that video and obviously the eBay page listings that I had. And basically I'd done a rinse down nozzle and a converter piece for one of my subscribers, Chris. Hello Chris, this is for you. He had a Karcher jet wash, petrol Karcher jet wash that uses those M22 sort of screw fittings, and he wanted a rinse down nozzle, so I basically made him a converter so that it converted from an M22 into a quick release fitting. Anyway, that was a few weeks ago, or quite a long time ago actually now, and Chris has stayed in touch with me, and he has said that it's made his life so much easier, and obviously productivity, he's amazed with it anyway. And obviously he was so amazed that he has sent me this mystery box in the post. Now I haven't got a clue what's in here. All I know is that he said is that he had to get it in from Spain. So what's in here I'm not too sure. Obviously I've taken the labels off. And there's something rattly in there. He mentioned tomatoes. God knows why. It had me curious. I'm not a huge fan of tomatoes unless it comes in a squeezy bottle that I can put on my chips. But I know he did say that he does, obviously his jet washing side of things, he does other bits on the side, and one thing he mentioned he deals with is some kind of retro sweets. Obviously not too sure why they would come from Spain, so I'm sure that isn't the bit that's come from Spain. So we're doing an unboxing. Don't normally do unboxing videos because they normally bore the pants out of me, but since this is a mystery, I thought we'll see what's in it and see, yeah, basically if it's worthy of an upload. So if you're watching this, obviously it was. So let's just crack into it. Let's not go with the bullshit. So I don't have a clue what it is, but I know Chris has said it's basically it's taken several, well I say it's probably more like a month or so, 6 weeks, for him to acquire it and do what he had to do with it and then send it. So I'm curious about the tomatoes. Maybe it was just, oh, here we go. We've got Golden Wonder Tangy Toms. Now that is a blast from my past. Thank you, Chris. I actually love Tangy Toms. Yeah, one of my faves. So we've got some Golden Wonder Tangy Toms. 1, 2. We've got 3, 4 packets. Here is. Hi Phil, thanks for all your advice and the teaching, plus the nozzle. I don't know what I would do without it. Just something to say a big thanks. Hope you like your gift, as it was the last one in the world and took over 2 months to find. I know it's the wrong colour, but what can you do when there's only one left? I know about the crack in the case as it arrived to me like this. The seller from Spain is sending another case and I will forward this on to you. Thanks again from Chris, Performance Jetting. So if you need any work done, look up Chris Performance Jetting. He is up north, Manchester I think it was. Okay, we'll come to that in a minute. Oh, that's fancy. Ooh, look like stickers with my logo on them. Novel. Sure they'll come in handy. Rattly bits. Bubble wrap. Ah, get rid of that. Sounds like Maltesers. Let's cut into this. Now, I know he mentioned retro sweets. I'm a massive fan of retro sweets. I mean, who isn't? What have we got in here? We've got, fruit salads. Now, one thing I do like in the retro world, it's fruit salads and blackjacks. Thank you, Chris. They are going to go down a treat with those tangy toms. Right. What do we have here? Ah. It is a Renault Traffic van with my logo on the side. Now, he did say he was going to customise it. You're right, it is the wrong colour, it is white, but hey, Renault Traffic's a Renault Traffic. It's my new van. That's actually, that's pretty cool. Thank you, Chris. I must admit, I love it. Absolutely love it. It's novel, and it's a gift. And it's got my, you know what, I'm going to have to, I think this is going to have to come in the van with me. I think I'm going to have to put that on the dashboard in my van. I'm most impressed with that. Thank you very much, Chris. Well, that is it. That is the unboxing. That is the big reveal. That's my Renault Traffic van, my new one. Obviously in white. Mine's black. But with the logo on the side, most impressed. Most impressed. Obviously, you what do they call it? It's a bit like fraping, isn't it? It's where you kind of steal people's pictures and stuff from Facebook or their website or something like that. I know, fraping. That's what you've done. You've borrowed my logo and you've yes, most impressed. Thank you very much, Chris. Thank you. That's going to go in my van, and those tangy toms and those fruit salads are not going to last very long at all. Right, that's it. That's all from me. A wicked little gift there. Thank you very much again. So happy cleaning. Bye for now.